PRLD stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Prelude Therapeutics stock is a buy or not for me. So watch the short 1-minute video till the end to find out. There's just some crazy delivery here recently. I mean, I've seen 46% increase in price that just on that Friday day. And what I'm going to do is just kind of take a higher time frame look to see where we clearly are. We saw clean breaks here. So that's beyond the point because it did happen. We cannot evade that. So the only right thing right here for me right now is to take it up. I mean, that is not right or wrong. It's what's right for you, the individual. I mean, I've done 33,000 videos, so I've seen what has worked for me and what has not. And the PRLD specifically, if I do see the price pulling down inside my demand area, and then if it gives me like a double break, then and only then that's something that I will get involved in. But like anything else in the meantime, you know, just noise, just something that I would not be interested in. So I'll put like a little waiting sign here, and that's approximately it. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, then click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.